And sends the first pitch to deep center field, and Jones reaches up, can't get it.
I hope he didn't get hurt because he extended his arm and it hit right on top of the wall. Well, Arrieta, like so many pitchers, started Josh off with an off-speed pitch, but he didn't keep it down. He got it up, and Josh, who loves to swing at the first pitch, took advantage of it and knocked it right out of the ballpark.
Well hit to left field, and Chavez looks up, another two-run homer. 3 in a row for Josh Hamilton.
Well, he hit a hanging curveball the first time up, and that time it was a fastball that he hit to left field.
Another deep drive, and this one will bounce off the wall. And Hamilton will settle for a double. Look to the 2 homers and a double. High, deep center field. Jones at the wall. A 3-homer game for Josh Hamilton. And of course, it's a 2-run blast.
And of course, Elvis is on base. Well, how about those last 5 at-bats? 4 home runs and a double. I think they better throw him a pitch he can't hit next time up.
How about an intentional walk no matter what has happened before? How about another? To center field, number 4, Josh Hamilton on an unstoppable tear in Baltimore.
Got a standing ovation from the Oriole crowd, too. This is like the home run derby in Yankee Stadium.
If you have been watching Ranger baseball since day 1, 1972, we have never seen a performance like this. May well never see it again.